Hey everybody, it's Lori from the Buzz and Bee Collective. Welcome to my messy, unorganized workspace. I've tried and tried to be organized and be less messy, and I can't do it for some reason. That's fine. I just will pick up this tablecloth and throw it all in the trash. The last time I talked to you guys, I was baking glasses, and I wanted to kind of go over what happens after the glasses are baked. They are like, that paint is like on there. That's good, that's what you want. What you're also gonna have is kind of a crusty little rim here. And there's a tiny little lip on these glasses, really tiny. So what I do is I take a razor blade. I like this one because it's small and easy to hang on to, because the last thing you want to do is like slice your finger open and can't do that. So if you can see it, I'm scraping away paint that was just kind of right along the top edge of the glass. Just keep scraping away until you get it smooth. You can see all that paint that's coming off. Some people have asked me, now this glass is fully painted, what happens when you drink out of it? Like, is it toxic? Is that bad? Well, I've talked to the people at Liquitex. See, now I'm just like feeling along here, because the last thing you want is to take a sip out of your wine glass and like, you know, feel a rough patch. Or this is also fantastic for your manicure, which, as you can see, why bother? The acrylic paint is non-toxic. It's craft paint. It's baked onto the glass. Unless you're chewing while you're drinking out of this glass, you're not going to be getting paint in your mouth. On top of that, there are several top coats that you can put on your glasses to not only give them a little bit of a shine, but to also seal them so that they're that much more protected. I use this Mod Podge. This is a special Mod Podge. It is dishwasher safe, and it's a gloss. Now, as I've said before, do I recommend you put your glasses in the dishwasher? I do not, because dishwashers get really hot. This is also non-toxic, it's water-based. So putting it as a coating on your glass is perfectly fine. Like I said, you know, don't chew on the edge of your glass when you're drinking. If that's what you're doing, then you have bigger problems. So anyway, you just want to get a nice smooth edge. Sometimes you'll have a little bit of extra, and I come in here with a little bit of fine sandpaper, smooth it out. Once in a while, you might have a little bitty bubble in the paint somewhere. Luckily we don't this time. Everything is so smooth. But if you do, this is just a light grit or a fine grit sanding pad. Just give it a quick little. And I promise you, smooth as a baby's butt. Okay, there you go. Glass is smooth, no imperfections, no bubbles, we're ready to go. So I have a super scientific way that I put the Mod Podge on my full glasses. And that is, you guys are gonna be like, I'm out. It's really not that bad. I put a little bit of my hand, oh gosh. I put a little bit of my hand and I just start coating the glass. This way you can just like feel that you've got it all over the glass in a smooth layer. If there's any little spot that's not smooth, I don't know, I'm weird. You could obviously do this with a brush. I did try doing this with, what are they called? Sponge brushes. And you could kind of see some lines. You could kind of see some brush lines. So this is just a kind of a smooth, personal way that I can, there we go. This is layer number one. It dries very quickly. Usually by the time I've washed and dried my hands, it's almost dry. I would say in 5 minutes it's dry. It gives the glass a nice shine, protective layer. Sometimes I will come in, I will let it dry, I will lightly sand the whole thing again and put a second coat on. And then, friends, you're ready to go. This glass will be going over to the retail store where I sell them. And in my next video, just today, I got an order for 6 custom painted glasses. And in my next video, I'm gonna take you guys through the process with me, and we'll make a set of 6. All right, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe. I'm gonna keep you guys in the know about how to make cool glasses like this, and you'll be the favorite person in your family. Your friends will love you, and you can all have a fun happy hour or whatever you want to do with your glasses. It'll make the party that much more fun. Thanks, you guys.